Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest Android tips and tricks. Today, we're tackling a common annoyance, that stubborn alarm icon that just won't go away on your Android device in 2025. Whether it's lingering after your alarm rings or showing up unexpectedly, we'll get rid of it step by step. This is especially relevant with the new Android updates that have streamlined settings for better user experience. First things first, let's understand why this happens. The alarm icon typically appears in your status bar due to an active alarm set in your clock app or from third-party apps. It might not disappear if there's a glitch or if the alarm is still pending. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the fixes. Step 1. Open your clock app. This is usually pre-installed on Android devices. Once you're in, go to the Alarms tab and check for any active alarms. If you see one, tap on it and either delete it or turn it off. Make sure to save your changes. Step 2. Head over to your device's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find the clock app in the list, select it, and then go to Storage and Cache. Clear the cache and data. This often resolves persistent icons without affecting your alarms. Step 3. If that doesn't work, check for system updates. In 2025, Android has made updates easier. Go to Settings, System Update, and install any available updates. This could fix bugs causing the icon to stick around. Step 4. Sometimes, third-party apps interfere. Go to Settings, Apps, find any alarm or clock-related apps, and force stop them. You can also disable notifications for these apps if needed. A quick tip. If you're using a custom ROM or have heavy modifications, restarting your device might be the simplest solution. Just hold the power button and select Restart. And there you have it. Your screen should be icon-free now. Remember, keeping your apps updated is key to avoiding these issues in the future. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Android hacks, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.